The areas where I think customers are seeing success are where they tend to identify the 2 or 3 things that are most important in their business. And they organize all the data, they make it a big priority, and they really build out a whole process to improve that using technology. And so it's kind of easy to find a project that you could do with AI, but
what are some starters? What do people like to, when they're coming to you for the 101?
The approach that we recommend is first you start with what problem are you trying to solve, and it better be a big needle-moving problem. Like, let's look at the major processes inside your company, and let's go after the 2 or 3 of those that use the most number of people. And how do you organize all the data? Because in many cases, the data was on hundreds of individual islands. It has to be brought together. It takes some time to organize it all. And then you've got security and regulatory issues. But once you do all that, you can unleash some pretty epic improvements, and you can start to reimagine the business because now you're enabling all sorts of new use cases.